Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox and have a look at the i15 pods. So basically these are a replica of the original AirPods which I bought for around $5 and so let's see if they are worth their price or not. So here is the box of the i15 pods. I bought it from the Raz, so it's around $5, which is really cheap. So let's see. On this box you're going to have nothing much. Here you got the AirPods icon. On the side it's going to say the model number, which is i15. On the back it says it's come with a charging case and it's compatible with iOS and your Android devices. So let's just open the box. So here is the box. Let's just see what's inside. So here you can see here are the iPods, so not very high quality of packaging, I would say. And here we're going to have two other things as well. First thing is the manual, which is in Chinese, and the other side is in English as well. Other than that, we have a lightning to a USB type A cable, which ain't very high quality as well. Anyways, here are the i15 pods, as you can see. So let's open this packaging. Here you can see they are quite small. So here I have the original AirPods Pro, and if I compare it with the size, so they are almost like the size from vertically with the AirPods Pro. So here on the front you got this, on the back we got this button. If I press on it, we got a little light on the bottom, whereas on the AirPods Pro you got this green little light on the front. So from here you can tell, and from the build quality, that it is a copy. Nothing too much. On the bottom we got our lightning cable to charge these. Opening the box, we're going to have this light here as well, so not the most high quality hinge as well. Anyways, let me just open my iPhone and try to connect it. So Bluetooth is on, and let's see how they're going to connect with the phone. Okay, so you're going to get this animation which you see in the original AirPods as well. So nice job China for making these copies. Anyways, we're going to press on connect and they should connect it. So as they are connecting, like I said before, they're going to be quite thick as compared to the original AirPods. Their sound quality ain't going to be very good, and their battery life ain't also that much good. But according to their price point, just for $5, if you don't have any kind of pods, I think they are okay. So here it says connection failed. We're going to try again. I think I should place them near the phone for better connection. Here you can see it says i15. I'm going to just connect it from here, as it is not connecting from the animation, but here you can see it has been connected and my phone has detected it. So if playing any music, you're not going to get the best quality out of it. The one thing I should see, yep, so your iPhone is going to show the battery remaining on your AirPods, which is really cool here, as you can see. So in this way you can know how much it is charged or not. And again, you're going to have these touch buttons on the side as well for their working. So as you can see, their size is a little bit thick from the original AirPods, but they fit perfectly alright on the ear. You can't run on them, but they have touch controls for playing music, attending calls, and their sound quality is okay according to their price. So not much of these headphones, but they are quite cheap copy. So if you have nothing, I think they are good for a cheap wireless solution. Anyways guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.